Hello friends, my name is Praveen Dhimal and I am working as an instructor in mechanic motor vehicle trade, Government IDA Mandi, Himachal Pradesh. Uh, Now I am going to tell you that what technical details about vehicle you should know. Uh, Point 1, how to change the tire from the vehicle if it is punctured. When you are traveling with passengers, unfortunately, your vehicle tire punctured. So you should have the complete knowledge about how to change the tire with spare wheels. As you know, all vehicle comes with 5 wheels, one wheel always spare for an emergency. Know how to replace your puncture tire with the spare wheel. So first of all, you park your vehicle on the plain surface and lock up all the wheels properly. Loose the puncture tire nuts with a wheel spanner, but do not remove out, just slightly loose all the nuts. After that, jack up the vehicle until wheel frees from the ground surface and easily rotates with hands. After that, removes all the nuts from the wheel one by one and hold the wheel properly with another hand to the brake drum. After removing all the nuts, keep it properly safe and remove the puncture tire from a brake drum and place it under the body, under the window. Unfortunately, if jack will slip, the tire will support your vehicle body, which prevents you to harm. Now, remove your vehicle spare wheels from the vehicle and place it on the brake drum. Hold the tire properly on drum. Slightly tight your nut on the tire by rotating free up to end position of threads by hand. Always tighten the nut in opposite to all in sequence. Do not apply more torque with spanner until your vehicle is on jack. After that, jack down the vehicle and apply full torque equally to all the nuts of wheels in cross section. Now keep your jack its place and tighten it as it will not noise when the vehicle will run. Keep your puncture tire in its place with proper tighten, otherwise it will make noise while vehicle running. Repair your tire when reaching any tire puncture shop. Now point number 2, what is the servicing of vehicle? Which type of work done during servicing? As a taxi driver, you should also have good knowledge of how to servicing and what type of work done in the workshop during servicing and what time period required for servicing of an engine and what item replaced or cleans and top up and checked. All vehicles engine servicing depends on the manufacturer's recommendations. But nowadays, all manufacturers using synthetic engine oil. So, change the engine oil while completing 10,000 km running the vehicle. During servicing, engine oil filter and air filter should be changed with engine manufacturer recommendation company. Check the battery water level. If it is low, then top up all the cells with battery water equally. During servicing, should also check the nuts and bolts of vehicle, chassis, suspensions and other engine external parts. And check the coolant level. If it is low, top up with coolant as a freeze solution. As you know that Himachal Pradesh is a hilly region. If we have used plain water instead of coolant and suddenly we have to go to a place where there is snow or the temperature of that place is very cold, then you should not take your car there, because if you take that vehicle in very cold temperature, then the plain water will freeze at 100 degrees centigrade and its volume will also increase. Then this increased volume can also break the radiator or radiator hoses collapse. So in these situations, it is important to have coolant in your car, so that if you take a car to a hill area, no unnecessary situation arises. The main function of coolant is that it does not allow water to freeze at 100 degree. It decreases the freezing point and increases the boiling point and maintain the temperature of the vehicle. If there is no coolant in the vehicle, the water will boil, and in this case, the engine of the vehicle will also be overheated. The coolant ratio in the cooling system is 70-30. It contains 70% coolant and 30% water. Check the brake oil level or for any moisture contains in it. Check the suspension bushes, ball joint, fuel filters. Always service your vehicle is in an authorized workshop. Now, we are going to discuss about point number 3. Many times when you drive a car, the light goes off while running that car. There are many reasons for the light to stop. First of all, you park the car on one side of the road. After that, check the connection of the battery. If only the front light is off, then its starting connection should be checked, or the relay may also be damaged. After checking all this, where the fuses are attached, you can also check the fuse. When you see the box with the fuse, different types of ratings are written on it, and it is shown which fuse is used for which device. Nowadays, due to overload or due to short circuit, the light of the vehicle turns off. When you open the box of fuses, you will see that some extra fuses of different ratings are also given in it. You can also check the rating of any light that has been damaged and place it in the place of extra fuse. But do this, you will have to take care of its rating. If you look carefully, a small diffuser is also provided to remove and install the fuse, so that you can easily remove and attach the fuse. If any fuse is getting damaged again and again, you should take the car to a good mechanic and check its circuit thoroughly, so that it does not spoil the fuse again. Now, point number 4. Being a taxi driver, you should have good knowledge about first aid and safety, which is very important. A first aid box should have always with you in the vehicle. In first aid, must be box contains bandage, cotton roll, Dettol, blade, scissor, hot bandage, burn hill cream, stomach pain tablet, loose motion tablet, paracetamol, crocin, etc. First aid reduces severe bleeding and pain to reach the doctor. Your car must also have a fire extinguisher, because if there is a fire inside the car or in the engine part, you can immediately use the device to fire is extinguished. Along with all these things, you should always have a driving license. Nowadays, the facility of DigiLocker has been provided under Digital India, in which you can get your driving license, copy of RC, copy of insurance, and copy of permit, and also inside the mobile. You can keep it and can show it in time. After all these things are completed, you can easily drive your car as a taxi. Thank you.